So I had a blue Crossfire before I had this one. That one had a starting problem. Whenever I would turn the key, nothing would happen. So this was an intermittent problem, and I was stranded a couple times. So I came across this car, and I sold the other one because of this problem. So anyway, lo and behold, yesterday I go to put gas at Costco, turn the key, and it won't start for me. So I'm there for about 3 minutes trying to get the thing started. So anyway, I searched the internet on YouTube here, and I saw a couple different solutions. Actually, it's about the same solution of soldering the 3 poles on the RCM. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it's soldered. On the other videos they would mention what you needed to do, but they didn't actually show you soldering. So this is what I'm going to do in this video. Okay, so this is the correct way that people on the other videos don't mention. They actually mention it, but they don't actually show you. These are the 3 pins right here that need the extra solder. So what you do is you make your soldering iron nice and hot, and what you're going to do is you're going to add solder to those posts. So we're going to heat it up. Okay, I've already done these, so I'm just going to show you real quick what I did. Get it nice and hot, then I added solder on there. So I did that to each one of these 3, and that should take care of the problem. We're going to find out. Okay, so now I got it all back together. Let's go ahead and try her out. See if this thing's going to start up for us. Yeah, we have success. Let's try it again, just to be sure. Okay, I think we're good on this one. Good luck with yours.